Hey YouTube, it's Portuguese DIY Dad. I'm sticky, I'm sweaty, I'm dirty, I'm thirsty. I just had my agua dos pedras. Maracujá, by the way, tastes really good. And today we're changing the oil on a 2018 GMC Yukon. It's the first time I'm doing it. It looks pretty simple to do. I wanted to make a video just to put it out there. So I want to remind you that if you need any supplies to change the oil, everything's going to be in the description box with links. You can click them, go straight to Amazon. All right, so here we go, let's get started. So this is my wife's truck. If you see my other videos, I had a Tahoe 2007 and it was just replaced by this beauty. So we need our OW20. All right, so I purchased that. Right here I'm using Mobile One, extended performance, OW20, triple action. This is really important. Dexos -1 Gen 3 GM approved. Make sure you get that. You can never go wrong with Mobile One. It is, believe it or not, it is cheaper to buy 2 5 quarts than to just purchase the 8 quarts that you need. So all right, we're also going to need an oil filter. I like to use original OEM, so I selected AC Delco, and it is right there, PF63. okay, right there, PF63. Everything's going to be in the description box. All right, we're going to use the 15mm socket. Let's go under. All right, oil filter's right there, and the plug is right there. We're gonna use a 15mm, and we're gonna loosen it. All the oil is gonna come out. It's gonna go right into there. And what I like to use, and this is the first time I'm changing the oil, so I don't like to use the oil fasteners, filter fasteners that. Let me show you. Let me show you what I'm talking about. These, I don't like using these. All right, so unfortunately I'm gonna have to use it to loosen this one out, but instead I purchased, and I'll show you, this guy right here, and it's just so much easier. It slides in. It doesn't slide in on this one because you need a specific one. You need the OEM AC Delco. So the new one, I'll tighten it with this one. It goes right on top, and then I can fasten it that way. All right, so again, everything that I'm using will be on the description box. All right, let's get started. Always a reminder to put some cardboard under, just in case you get some oil to drip on the ground. And yes, I already loosened it, so it'll be easier for me while I'm recording, in case you're wondering how I did that so easily. This is like the worst part for me, because you never know when it's gonna just shoot out. You always have to kind of like play with it and just feel it out and see when's the oil gonna come out, and try to be as clean as possible. Guys, do me a favor, if you like this video and you want to see more, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. The more thumbs up, the more comments, the more people subscribe to the channel, the more people will see this video. So the point is to help as many people as possible to do things themselves so they can save money. That's the whole mission of this channel. So thanks for subscribing and giving me a thumbs up. Appreciate it. Let's get back to this work. All right, so almost done. And then I started loosening the filter. And what I like to do is I like to just let it drip out as much as possible. So when I fully take it out, there's not much oil in there. So Alright, so here we have the filter, and what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna open this up. Alright, open that up, and I'm just gonna put some oil in there. And yep, and I'm gonna take some oil and just rub it around the rim of the gasket. Alright, you always want to do this so it doesn't get stuck. Engine gets hot. This is rubber. Just put a little bit of oil so it's easy to take out next time. Alright, they're on. I'm going to hand tighten it, and then I'm going to use the tool. I also tighten this up. Not so bad. Okay, you also don't want to tighten that too much. And then see how that fits nicely. I love this thing. This thing is so much easier than the other tool. All right. Also want it snug. You don't want it too tight. And it looks pretty good. I'm gonna wipe everything down, make sure everything's all clean. So if there's an oil leak, you can kind of detect it really quick. If you don't clean it, then you don't know. All right, here we go. So we're gonna add our oil, and I'm just gonna give you a quick 5-second advice. Always use the same type of oil. Okay, you want your truck to last, use the same type of oil all throughout. Change your oil regularly, and your truck will last a long time. All right, so I'm choosing to use Mobil just because it's a good brand, and it's $26, y'all. You can buy this on Amazon, and I think I paid $26 for 5 quarts, and I bought 2 of them because we're gonna need 8 quarts. All right, we're gonna need 8 quarts. I've never said that before. It's always been like 5 or 6. This truck takes 8, so here we go. All right, so we're gonna check the oil. So it took exactly 8 quarts. All right, guys, and now I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil. All right, so you don't have to look it up. So here you go to the screen where it says oil, right? Let's do this. Here we go. All right, and then you're gonna use these buttons right here to navigate. All right, so we're gonna go to the right, and it's gonna ask you, do you want to reset? And you're gonna hit check, the middle button, and are you sure you want to do that, right? You're sure you want to reset? And you're gonna go to the yes, and boom, reset 100%. All right, so there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed learning how to change the oil on a 2018 GMC Yukon. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, comment. If you have any feedback, I would appreciate some feedback. So if you have a better way of doing it, I would appreciate it if you leave in the comments. I changed oil on a Volkswagen Tiguan. I made some mistakes, and people corrected me on the comments, and I really appreciate it because I won't make those mistakes the next time. So I appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace out.